Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a couple of prerequisites so you don't chase the wrong fix. Make sure your phone has at least 500 MB free and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This avoids install interruptions. Once done, restart the device to clear temporary glitches, then open Play Store and update Gmail if an update exists. You do this because many crashes stem from corrupted cache or outdated binaries. Updating and restarting removes transient issues and gives you a clean state to continue. Next, you'll perform deeper resets that usually fix persistent crashes. Go to Settings Apps Gmail, force stop, then clear cache and clear app data. This removes corrupted local files. After that, do the same for Google Play services because it handles authentication and sync. Clearing its cache can resolve service-level conflicts. If Gmail still misbehaves, remove your Google account from settings and re-add it so tokens and sync metadata rebuild cleanly. This step refreshes credentials and resolves permissions. Finish by reinstalling Gmail from the Play Store to ensure a fresh app binary. Uninstall first, then reinstall. Also check for Android system updates and free additional storage because low space or system bugs can trigger crashes. If the app still stops, boot into safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app is interfering. Safe mode disables extras so you can isolate the cause. If safe mode fixes it, uninstall recent apps one by one. Start with any battery or optimizer apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.